Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Guys, we got a 2010 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter i4s. Check it out. Got custom wheels, really nice truck. What we got done on it? Got 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it comes from the factory True Dual, as you guys can see. And what we put is he brought his own Super 50 FLOWMASTer, part number 524553. Dual in, single out. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. And then we tied it back into his factory tailpipe 3-inch. Right there. So it's got a Super 50 on it. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please, for more beautiful content. FLOWMASTER Super 50. Not bad. No more rattle. Sound decibels again. What do you guys think of that sound? It's clean for a Super 50. Go ahead and back it out. There's an idle on it. FLOWMASTER Super 50. Not bad. It's deep clean. If you guys want a really clean sound with not a lot of rasp, that's the one to go with. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter i4s. FLOWMASTER 50 series. Oh yeah. I like that. That's clean. Nice. It's got something done to it, but not too much.